welcome back to my channel. My name is Shameen, and for today's video I thought I would bring you around as I go about my day for once. I've been putting off doing this must be very annoying. I've been putting off doing like a vlog in so long, but recently I've been inspired. Oh, coffee is so good. So my plans for today is actually a lot more outsidey. It's a lot more mobile. I don't know. It's a lot more than I thought it was gonna be, because like initially it was supposed to be like a full day at home, a full day of work at home, and then dinner outside, which I thought was like the epitome of my exciting existence now, like to have dinner outside. But apparently I have to be somewhere in the early afternoon. I was supposed to be working all the way till like 6 or something before I leave the house, so I had to shift things around, and suddenly today it's a lot more jam-packed than I thought. I'm going out to do 3 things. I think I'm gonna go out with my parents because of whatever we needed to, and then afterwards, because I can't possibly go home after that, I'm gonna go meet my friend a little earlier for coffee. We haven't seen each other since like before COVID started, so it's been a while, and I'm looking forward to that coffee chat session with her. And then once Sam, my boyfriend, knocks off from work, I think all of us are just gonna go for dinner. I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch today at like 9 a.m. to 12 instead of my regular 3 to 6. By the way, if you didn't know already, I stream on Twitch now. This is pretty much why I'm awake at like 7:30-ish. This is super early for me. I used to wake up early all the time, but ever since COVID struck, my good schedule overall became super messed up basically. But anyways, I'm just gonna be here enjoying my coffee, and I'm also going to be doing my morning skincare and doing my makeup for the stream. Using my new Naked Ultraviolet palette. I initially didn't think that I would get this, but in the end I caved, and now it's like one of my favorite palettes to use now. Oh my god, I am such a sucker for Urban Decay though, really. I'm gonna probably have to stream soon. It's like almost 8:30, 8:40 now. Oh my god, I'm so oily now. I don't know why did that Australian accent come out? I've never been to Australia in my life. But anyways, this is like 3 hours after my stream. I played like 2 games of League of Legends, and it was just, I guess, 3 games of League of Legends. But basically, I was trying to learn how to play League of Legends. I've never played it before, so that was that. We had a very good stream. I had a very good time. Streaming is so much fun. But anyways, now that I'm done with this and I've shut down my laptop, I'm gonna go rush out to like have lunch, and then we're probably just rushing out. So I'll catch you in a bit.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
screaming at each other. Such a hot day and I've been like in my long sleeve shirt. In Singapore I don't really need to wear long sleeves, but I do. So anyways, it's 11 p.m. right now. I really need to go and like get all this makeup off and like go sleep immediately because we still have to wake up to stream. If I didn't mention properly, like the ramen place is called Seoul Ramen, and it's like so good. It's like my favorite ramen place in Singapore, and I've tried many ramen places, like even Ippudo is nothing. Ippudo Singapore is nothing compared to Seoul Ramen in my opinion. I feel like Ippudo Ramen in Singapore has this really not fake but more like a factory made tasting ramen flavor that is really mass produced, I guess. But Seoul Ramen's ramen, it feels like the soul, like the flavor is like so rich and so robust. I don't know, it's like so good. I dream about the ramen all the time. I've been eating it a lot recently too, but it's like so good as well, and it's actually really affordable as well compared to like your regular old Ippudo ramen that's supposed to be good, but it's actually like just kind of overpriced for what it is, to be honest. But anyways, like enough of my food rant. Doreen was a joy to meet again. Definitely, we had a lot of fun just catching up and talking about stuff, and yeah, it was a really nice day. Yeah, that is about it, I guess. Let me just go take a real good shower, and I'll be right back. Just took a shower. It felt so good. Anyways, let me sit like that so you can still see me. Hi guys. I feel so weird. Yeah, I'm showered. My hair is long and it's kind of thick, so drying it takes forever. It used to take 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure it takes like 12 to 13 minutes minimum to get it like almost dry. Like I gave up my ends because like, I'm just so tired of holding the hair dryer in place above my head for so long, so I just kind of went into my roots and kind of made sure that my roots are dry. Anyways, that was my day. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed me taking you around my day, thank you very much. I don't know, like I've never really like vlogged before. I tried my hands once or twice and those were like failures and stuff, so I'm trying again, and hopefully like editing is better, and mainly everything hopefully it's better too. I don't know, I'm actually really tired. It's like almost like, is it 12 now? It's like 12:15 now. I really need to sleep. We have another early day tomorrow, streaming and stuff. I'm not gonna vlog that. I'm just gonna vlog one day a week, hopefully every Friday. Oh, we'll figure something out. Maybe like I'll just vlog the most interesting day every week. Maybe we'll do that. So with that, I think we're at the end of today's video. I'm probably gonna vlog every week. I'm not sure yet, but probably probably. Let me know what you think about this one down below and if I should continue doing it. But anyways, with that said, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video, and if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel down below. And also remember to click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. And also, if you like gaming, don't forget to follow me on Twitch, but otherwise I am also on Instagram and I post a lot of makeup content there as well. So if you would like to support me there on Instagram as well, please go over and like my content, follow me, and share my content as well. I'm trying to get rid of like this shadow ban thing that's been happening to my account for like years actually. So like I just recently realized that I probably got shadow banned. But basically Instagram isn't really doing me any favors, and I am pretty much suffering from not being able to be exposed to the world, even though I really want to have my content be put out there more than it is, because it's really not reaching anyone. So yeah, if you're interested, my Instagram handle is @ChermCCW, so I'll see you there maybe. And with that, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone! I mean, I guess good night. Good night everyone. I'm so tired.